Frigidaire front-load washer starts and runs for 2 minutes, then stops. All indicator lights turn off. Door latch assembly has been replaced already. Is this a timer or control board replacement?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. First, make sure the belt is connected to the pulleys on the back of the washer because the washer will shut off if it doesn't think the belt is connected. Other than that, you'd be looking at a bad motor control board because nothing else would shut the washer off after only 2 minutes of running.
I've been inside and out of this thing, including replacing the shocks a month ago, easy for even me to do. I'm going with control board replacement. Thank you for your help, Tyler.
Not a problem. That should definitely take care of this issue if the belt is still attached.
Tyler, belt is on. I replaced the timer control box. Still nothing. Confirmed power is getting to washer. Any other suggestion? Control board is different than timer control box?
It runs for 2 minutes and shuts off the same as before. What part number did you replace? Tyler Z.41666.8966128819.
Now it doesn't even turn on. No lights, not buzz, nada.
And what part number did you replace? Does the door lock?
I replaced timer control timer XXXXXXXXX due to the parts store said this model of Frigidaire, GLTF 1670 also, has this sort of control thing. Cost me $200. It's going back if it wasn't the right solution. 10-year-old washer, trying to eke out a couple more years.
So the timer was not what I said to replace. You specifically asked if you needed to replace the door lock, the timer, or the control board, and I said the control board. You replaced the timer and that has nothing to do with your problem. You needed to replace the control board below the tub.
Got it. Gonna try that. Thanks again, Tyler.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.